Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add stickers to your videos on CapCut PC. Super simple. Select your video and go to the sticker section here. You can select from a bunch of stickers, or you can just type in the sticker that you want to find. So I'm just going to type in sun or summer for this one. Then I'm just going to select the sticker and I'm just going to add it to the video like so. Here you can scale it down to kind of match the video a little bit. You can also add in an animation to it, like an in animation, an out animation as well. And you can also add like a loop animation to it. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.